Okay. You're making him mad.
Those two hit.
It's nice that you're causing accidents with birds.
Last one, guys. Who wants it? I'm out now. Unless I do my tuna salad one, which I don't want to. It's that sandwich actually looks pretty good. Alright, there's a few birds.
I thought you were eating that.
It just tastes like tuna salad.
Oh, it's not any better than mine. Well, as soon as you stop throwing it, they're done. They go and look for someone else. They're like, okay, he's done.
This is an English muffin, guys. You can get a little better.
I wonder if they'd eat the ham.
I don't know. I wouldn't want to make them sick.
Yeah.
I know the bread's good. Tuna salad will probably be alright too.
Yeah, they eat fish. Were you afraid?
What?
Are you afraid?
Why would I be afraid?
Well, they might peck your eyes out.
Why would they?
They're screeching at you, though.